Hello friends, I'm BM. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix print quality or black color is not come. Now I'm going to fix this problem. Printer model is Canon PIXMA G2020. Now check this nozzle check print. First check ink is in pipe or not. Ink is not passed properly. Now first ink flush this printer. Okay. Now press setting button. Go to maintenance. Press OK. After this select ink flush, press OK button. Ink flush. Now you see here option select all color, press OK. Press OK. Now you see here warning, select yes, and also once again select yes. It's take a time up to 6 minutes for ink flush. Okay. Now you see ink is flushing. Now power of printer, and once again do deep cleaning here. Okay, select deep cleaning, press OK. Wait for complete deep cleaning process. Now process is deep cleaning is now running. Please wait. After complete this process, take a nozzle check print. Okay, select nozzle check, press OK. Now check nozzle check print. Now you see all color is nozzle check is perfect. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.